Discover a simple way to send money from Saudi Arabia with Taptap Send, streamlining your international money transfers. Begin by downloading and installing the Taptap Send application from either the App Store or the Google Play Store. Then, open the app. Tap the Send Money button. This directs you to enter the recipient's information, displaying available sending options. Select the recipient's country, choosing from available destinations like the Philippines, Ghana, Kenya, and many others. Input the recipient's details, including name, phone number, bank account, and the amount to send. Carefully review all information. Choose your preferred payment method, whether debit card, credit card, or direct bank transfer. After confirming payment details, review the transaction and then tap Send. You'll get an app confirmation, and the recipient will receive funds swiftly. Taptap Send offers a hassle-free way to send money internationally from Saudi Arabia. Simplify your international money transfers today.